Are you pushing me or dragging me down? I'm so tired. Okay, see you later, guys.
See you later, guys. We are tired.
Union Station du service Union Pearson Express. Dans quelques minutes, et la gare Union.
There's no CN Tower anymore. I think it's in between these buildings, or at the back of these buildings. I think we can see after. Oh, there you go. You stayed?
We didn't touch it.
Oh! Oh my gosh, we forgot to tap. We need to tap.
Interesting.
Oh, Uber.
And that's the station. 30 minutes going to the island, right?
Yes.
So we can ride
1:30, 2:30.
2:30.
No, 1:30, 2 p.m., 2:30, 3.
2:30. It's already 2 p.m.
Oh, we have 20 minutes. It's beautiful here.
Mm.
It's so beautiful here. Finally, we're on to our third ride, which is our last ride, the ferry ride. We need to buy tickets first. We are running for like 10 minutes.
Can I take a ticket?
We made it. Yeah.
Like a Vietnam. Bunta.
Welcome to Ward's Island. So there are 15 islands.
Okay, let's go again and go back and go inside and come back here.
Okay. This is gonna be a very, very long walk. Yuta, the walking map, is searching for the best way for us to get to the... Oh. Alright, we're actually hungry, so we're gonna sit for a while. I hope we're not trespassing. There's a restroom over there just near the port, and there's a playground. So we are resting for a while enjoying the view. We're gonna eat snacks first. We brought choco banana. This is our view right now. It's very beautiful.
자, 行きましょうか.
Sky's beautiful and so are you. I wanna make it up to you, start something new. Yeah, I've been thinking of the parts I played for you. Now I'm drinking from the bottle as I do. It's like a long...
No way. Gonna be very beautiful. Want me to take a video?
Yeah, video and photo.
Wrong thing. Oh, there's a lie and there's a fire.
What are you doing?
Counting voice.
Why are you counting?
Because also it's boring.
So from here, we're gonna go to Center Island. I think I haven't mentioned. There are 15 islands in Toronto Island, and this is the Ward's Island. We still have 14 islands to explore. Of course, we're not gonna explore it today, but Just for today, we're gonna go to as many islands as we can on foot because we didn't rent bicycles.
4 kilometers.
We have to walk for 4 kilometers. We're not sure if this is open because according to the website, there's only one washroom open and we saw one washroom already. It's closed for the season.
Make us both forget, only to start it up and play it out again. It's like a long dream. You're on the wrong team.
It's a 200-year-old lighthouse. So this is the whole Toronto Island Park. It's so big.
Coming out of me every time I see.
You want to go here?
Yeah.
What do you-
Lighthouse. Yeah, that's the only one I really want to see.
Okay, shall we go like this? And then go back?
And then
Or like this?
Henland Point Ferry Dock. Ah, so the ferry. Ah, so there are 3 ferries. One that goes to Ward's Island,
Yeah.
and one that goes to Center Island Ferry Dock, and one that goes to the Henland Point Ferry Dock. After a long walk, we finally reached Center Island, and this is Center Island Beach.
Every time I see one to destroy, one is a boy fighting hard to be the better part of me, the better part of me, the better part of me, yeah, the better part of me. You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feet.
We're here. So that's the lighthouse, the 200-year-old lighthouse. What's this on the side? I think it's an abandoned place, but there are lights though. Yeah, there are lights. Ah, I think it's like an office or something. Oh, some people are there.
Walking.
Yeah, they're working. Library?
Very nice view.
Could be a library. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that. We can see the CN Tower from here also.
We are, and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like
Instagram husband in motion. Okay?
You should try to take me. Really, you can understand.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay.
Alright, so it's my turn. So we're going back to the ferry dock now.
We pass by maybe here.
Okay.
This side. We can go inside
Okay.
and then left side.
Still far. Still a long way to go, and I want to use the restroom. Okay. We can do this.
after cup after cup. Yes,
Wow.
the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life.
Very green.
So nice.
We should go there.
The water is so clear.
Messed up.
We are in another island now. It's called Aloginsen. I think it's called Aloginsen Island. Passing by the CN Tower. Perfect timing.
Yeah.
Look at the houses here. They're so cute. OMG, it's so beautiful.
Maybe nighttime is also very beautiful.
Yeah.
Not to be like them, them. We fly
Squirrel.
the planes they never know.
We're gonna go back to the center.
You know about
So nice.
See us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
So cold. So finally we are back in the center. It's so cold. The temperatures dropped.
There's something different about the way we are.
Next station is St. George